Good morning. Today I'm working on an ice chest. All the for bagged ice. Got a call. Bagged ice was melting. Came in. Condenser fan motor was seized. Here's the old one. Put in a rescue motor. They're great. They're dual voltage, but the compressor still wouldn't start. So, testing the capacitor. I love this little capacitor tester, the Citgo. You got to cut the bleed resistor. Cut the bleed resistor. It's supposed to be 270 to 324 microfarads. I had one on my truck. Here's the new one. Put that on there. There we go. Nice. So, got a bad capacitor. That's why the compressor won't start. It was hot as hell when I got here. But, so I'm going to put the new capacitor in, see if it fires off. If not, it's going to be a compressor change. That's this morning's job.